Ever wondered what sociologists are actually talking about when they say the word society? It sounds so grand and official. Right. Like something you'd see in a textbook next to a black and white photo of serious-looking old guys. But really? It's not that complicated. In fact, you're soaking in it right now. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. You order a latte, say thank you, and the barista smiles and says, "Have a great day." You didn't invent that exchange. You didn't write a script for it. It's just what we do. That little interaction, that shared understanding of how to behave in a coffee shop, is a tiny slice of society. Now, multiply that by 1,000,000,000! Society is basically the giant, invisible rulebook we all follow without even realizing it. It's the shared culture, the institutions, the unspoken agreements that keep us from, throwing our coffee at the barista when they get our order wrong. We have laws about traffic, but society is the reason we mostly don't drive on the sidewalk even when there are no cops around. We have formal education, but society is why we raise our hands in class instead of just yelling out the answer. Think about it like a massive multiplayer online game. We're all players who've logged into the same server called our country or our city. The game has its own rules, its own currency, its own quests, and its own culture built up by millions of players over hundreds of years. You have your own character and you can make your own choices, but you're still playing within the framework of the game. You can't just decide that gravity no longer applies to you. So, society isn't some distant, abstract thing. It's the language we speak, the jokes we laugh at, the way we form a line at the grocery store. It's the entire web of human relationships and interactions that makes life predictable and, most of the time, pretty manageable. It's the ultimate group project, and we're all participating, whether we like it or not. Next time, you're just walking down the street, take a look around. You're not just a person on a sidewalk. You're an actor on the grand stage of society, playing your part beautifully. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this little thought experiment, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.